everybody, I'm Tim Bozeman from Tag1 Consulting. I've been working on a new Drupal page builder for the last few years and I'm really excited to show it to you. First, let's remember where we came from. The classic node form. Great for content, not a page builder. Layout Builder gave us real page building, but adding a block means opening the sidebar, scroll through the options, fill out a form, save, and then you can finally see what it looks like. That's a lot of friction. So what is Plus Suite? It uses Layout Builder under the hood, but with a completely reimagined user experience. The goal is to get content on the screen fast with automatically generated content, then make it easy to tweak and refine it. Let's take a little step back and talk about the user interface a little bit. First off, if you haven't seen this sidebar before, it's the new Drupal core navigation module. It replaced the admin toolbar. It's pretty sweet. When using Layout Builder, you would normally go to a layout page. We introduced edit mode. And when you enable it, the whole sidebar turns into a Photoshop-like toolbar. You can see that all the actions you would normally do in Layout Builder are now tools. And you can change the tools with mouse or hotkeys. There's also a hotkey you can hold to show all available actions for an item, which can be handy sometimes. So yeah, while the user interface is different, the blocks you make still work the same. This auto-generated content that shows up when you place a block is pluggable, meaning you control the default content that shows up. You definitely want to change it because what core spits out is a lot. You can put functionality in the sidebar and the user gets instant feedback when they change it. This is pretty powerful. Before I wrap up this demo, let me show you a new capability. We now have layout blocks, which are a block that has its display managed by Layout Builder. You can then place other blocks inside a layout block. You might ask, why would you want to do that? I left this block as a 1 column, but you can make it 2 or 3 column, or any layout plugin you can come up with. It also unlocks new functionality. For instance, if we drill back into the nested layout, you can see that it is comprised of individual blocks. But if we step out a level, we can treat it as one block. You can have many levels like Russian nesting dolls. Combined with the duplicate tool, you can actually crank out some content and have a pretty productive workflow of copy, paste, and edit. There are a few ways to handle media. As you've seen, you can drag and drop media from your file browser right on the page, replace existing media, or if the media has already been uploaded, you can use the change tool in the media library. We can then add this entire section to our library where it can be reused on any page. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Plus Suite integrates seamlessly with workspaces and even works on regular non-Layout Builder pages, but I'll save that for another video. You can try Plus Suite today. Use the install script on the project page to spin up a new site or apply the recipe to an existing one. I get asked a lot. There are other Drupal page builders out there. Why use Plus Suite? Well, if you already use Layout Builder, Plus Suite is a drop-in replacement. But more importantly, Plus Suite is Drupal native. It improves existing data models, not replaces them. The inline editing, regular entity forms, the widgets are pluggable. You can create slick ones or use the standard widgets inline. Tools, sidebars, even modes, they're all pluggable. It's great out of the box, but even better as a foundation to build on. Check out tag1.com for more info. Thanks for watching.